everyone, it's me Alia, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Easter slime. So the slime inside is not holdable, just maybe if you're going to prank somebody and you open it for your surprise, you can surprise for them, and it's really good for Easter, but it's not Easter today, so I'm just going to show you guys. So what you need is a gel. I'm using this is actually a yellow gel, so it's the best is clear gel, but I don't have any gel. Clear gel, I'm actually out of it, so I'm using this polymer styling gel, and you're gonna need a container, especially like the surprise egg, getting for Frozen or Mickey Mouse. So I painted like this. You can decorate your surprise with whatever you want, see? And you are gonna need some watercolor pens. You can see I got watercolor pens. So let's get started. First thing you will do is you want to open your the cup or the capsule. And you can see this is the long and this is the short, so you're gonna put it along. So you want to take your gel and put how much you like. I'm gonna put a little bit. Maybe too much. It's really too much. So you can see it's really a little bit yellow. Now I want to take my watercolor. So there's many colors. So all I'm gonna put is maybe blue. Yeah, I should pick blue. And you can choose whatever color you want. It doesn't matter. You want to take your color. Let me see. It does have color. Yeah, it has color. Now I will just try to mix. You can see it's coloring blue. And yeah, maybe it will turn green because it is yellow. The hand is yellow, so maybe I can see. It's a slime. Okay, so I'm just gonna color a little bit more. Okay, it's okay now. You're gonna close your capsule first, and you want to take any kind of tissue at first, because after you put tissue, you want to close your slime, and you want to take also tissue, just wipe it the extra in the outside. You can see it's really good. You can see it. And if you want to close up and up, and if you want to make it clean, take a tissue, wipe it in the side. There we go. And look at it, it's slime. You can give it to your friends as a gift in Easter or any vacation. You can see it's really cute slime. This cylinder actually scented, so yeah. Your friend can take a toothpick that can mix. Because it's really like slime. You can see. Yeah, you can see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and leave a comment. I love you guys.